What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm making this video because I have some really exciting news. I'm finally launching my presets. So for a while on Instagram, if you follow me, if you don't follow me, head to @theblondegirldaily and give me a little follow. I've been saying that I wanted to sell my presets for a really long time, and I finally got around to making the packs and getting them ready and making sure that they work for everybody. So they will be available on Etsy, so this is kind of why I'm making this video, just so you guys know that they're out there. I'm gonna leave everything in the description down below so you can find them and purchase. I'm gonna walk you through what they look like, how much they are, where you can use them. So where to find them? You can actually find them on Etsy. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below and also in my Instagram profile, so it's just gonna be easy for you to find them. I'm also going to link them in my highlights. Also, sorry about the lighting that keeps changing. I'm just using natural light for my video, so you get what you get. So how much are they? They will be ranging from $15 to $25 unless I plan to do a larger pack in the future. So the $15 presets will be 2 presets, and then the $25 will be a pack of 4. So right now I have 3 bundles on my Etsy. So I have my San Diego preset, which is pretty much what I use in my feed. So this is kind of what my feed looks like. If you're not familiar with my Instagram page, you can see very warm, moody, and I just like to have everything kind of look very vintage and cohesive. So yeah, San Diego preset includes 4 presets, so that will be $25 if you purchase it. So within the San Diego preset, you will get just the original San Diego preset. You'll get San Diego Vintage, which has more of a faded look to it. You have a San Diego Cool and a San Diego Warm, depending on where you're shooting your photos. So shooting indoors, it tends to look warmer. It's just how it is, it's just the lighting. So I tend to cool down my photos a little bit with the temperature. I'm pretty sure I'll be making a video on how to adjust the presets, because if you're not familiar with Lightroom, I don't even think I mentioned that these are Lightroom presets. They're Lightroom presets. The next preset that I have on there is the Cali Coast preset. So this I used pretty much the entire time that I was in California. These are great for outdoor photos with a lot of light. In that pack there are 2, so this is a $15 pack. So in the Cali Coast pack there will be 2 presets, so this is the $15 pack. There is Cali Coast just regular, which is more warm, and then Cali Coast less red, more cool, I think is what I named it. When you're shooting outdoors in like direct sunlight, it tends to be really bright and really orange and red, so I wanted to make sure that it was cooler. Again, these are all presets that you can adjust to your photo, so none of these presets are just like a plop-on filter and they're completely okay. It really just depends on where you're shooting, how you're shooting your photos. So I just want to make that kind of clear for everyone. If you're familiar with Lightroom, you know this already. But yeah, every preset will probably need adjustments to your photo. And then the last pack right now that I have on there, I will be making a bunch more packs of presets because I just find it really fun to make presets. But the last pack that I have on there is vintage film pack. So this one I created recently just to give my photos a little bit more of a vintage, almost like Polaroid look. So they're kind of faded. You can definitely add grain to these. I tend to not add grain to my photos unless I really want it to look vintage, because I feel like Instagram kind of just like lowers the quality even more, so I tend to not put grain on my photos anymore, but you can definitely add that in Lightroom. So in the vintage pack, it's a $25 pack because there's 4 presets in there. So there's the regular vintage, there's vintage cool, vintage warm, and then overexposed. So overexposed is if you're shooting in a darker setting, or even if you're using a speed light or a flash, it just gives like a really cool look to the photos. Yeah, so those are right now the only packs that I have on Etsy to sell. Like I said, I'll be adding more, and I'm gonna keep them really affordable for everybody because I feel like if you're gonna buy a preset, you're not gonna want to spend $1 million. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to let you guys know that they're on sale. I didn't want this video to be super long. Hopefully you guys head over to Etsy and check them out, and follow me on Instagram if you want. If you don't want to buy the presets and you just want to follow me, that's cool too. Yeah, so in a few videos coming up, I'll definitely be showing you how to work the preset, how to use them, how to adjust them. So I also want to make it known that these presets are available for both mobile Lightroom and the Lightroom desktop. So depending on what you have, what you edit on, you can use both. They work great on RAW and JPEG files. I do want to make that clear. They will work on iPhone photos, but iPhone photos tend to not be the best quality. No matter what camera you have on your iPhone, it's never going to be as good as a DSLR camera or just like any regular camera. That's just how it is, but they will work. They'll just probably need a little bit more of an adjustment to them, especially with the exposure, the temperature, and even the sharpness. I wouldn't really put grain on your iPhone photos unless you want them to really look vintage, because sometimes it can just make them look, I don't know. I'm just not in love with it. I like really sharp photo. That's just me. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Really supports my channel. I'm trying to post on here more, guys. Just cut me some slack, you know. I have nothing to vlog right now because we're home. It's, you know, a crazy and weird time. I got nothing going on. Hopefully you like this video. Make sure to check out my presets and head over to my Instagram page, which I'll leave right here. And I hope you guys like these presets because, you know, I enjoy making them, and I feel like so many people just love the presets that I use, so I figured why not just sell them for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video here before I say one more time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!